Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, we are going to first analyze Bank Nifty and then we will see whether Bank Nifty is going up or it is going down, but we will make money on both the direction. And we will also look at the technical analysis and try to fine tune our technical analysis and give you like finer aspects of it. And we will also scout for stocks which can give us a weekly entry for our portfolio building. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So yes traders, we are back on Bank Nifty chart. As you can see, I am on a daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can easily make out that how market has trapped everybody in this position. But good thing is that whenever you're following super trend, this is the best indicator which you can trade. This is the power of super trend, which I must say. Whenever super trend gives you an entry, you have to blindly feel that this is wall of China, which cannot be breached, and you should always have trust in super trend. That's how you can trade in the market, because here after giving an entry, the second candle was a red candle and the third candle was a surprise candle, and the fifth candle went till the super trend and it got rejected. The only way you have to exit the super trend is when the candle closes above the super trend. So this is very critical. I'll show you on an intraday chart also how does it work. And after that, if you have stayed here and followed the trend which was given by the super trend, you would have made easily money out of this trade. And here the trend is still going to continue. I'm a firm believer of super trend, and it's supposed to continue this way for some more time. It is not an easy task for super trend to again break upward direction. Let's analyze this on a monthly time frame first. You can see monthly time frame. This is for the month of February. We have reached the high of 37770. Okay, this was the high, and we closed at about 34870. So but it was a completely bullish candle which it has formed, and the next level of support for Bank Nifty will be these lines, that is 32465. Expect the downward move to come till here, because it has to take support and it has to move forward, and which is the nearest area of support is this place. So you need to always watch this area because it's already far from its super trend. On a monthly time frame, we are still bullish. Yes, on a weekly time frame, this bars suggests that there is a reversal, and we can expect the market to come and take a bounce at this 32907, and this is our area of support also. As you can see, these lines which I have drawn, this is our area of support. After it has breached this area of support, the market will definitely come back and take a support at this. This used to be the previous resistance. Now this has become a support. So it's a very simple logic, and you can definitely mark the high of this level so that in future we can be rest assured that this will act as a major resistance. So now coming back to a 3-minute time frame, which I was talking about, like how do you trade this kind of a market and what you should look at when taking an entry. See, initially it had gapped down and super trend was down, and the market has taken a support at this level and it bounced. And whenever you see a candle getting rejected at a super trend, you can actually go with 100% confidence that this trade is going to work, because I will show you the examples like this. It got rejected here, it came down and it didn't go up to the super trend again, and the fall was heavy. And again at this level, see, you must be waiting here whether if this candle closes above the super trend, then I will close my trade. Here also the candle got rejected and the price came down. Now where is your exit point? This candle closed above the super trend, so this is where you should have exited. And see, there is a simple rule which you need to follow in intraday: VWAP and super trend. If the price is below VWAP and the super trend is bearish, go for a short entry. Sell on a bounce. Always rejection on a super trend or rejection on a VWAP. Here the price went up to the VWAP, it got rejected there. Same logic, rejected there and then went up. Again they tried to trap everybody stating that it's going to give a big move. Again it got rejected, but it came down finally. So what does it signify? The price is in the downtrend and it got rejected multiple times on the VWAP. So this is what we need to be careful. And if you are an intraday player, then definitely these are the spots where you can scalp. You can just buy upon this rejection candle, go and buy a put immediately. You will be able to drive this. Even if you capture about 50 to 60 points, that's good enough for you in this kind of trade. Here also, here also. Here you could have captured big time from here, this point. This candle got rejected here, then the second candle closed below the VWAP. Third candle was a narrow range candle, and then there is a rejection downwards. So all in all, it looks bearish to us, and market is standing at a support which used to be a previous resistance. Let's put up a line here. This entire area is of support on a hourly time frame. So let's see how it reacts at this level, but definitely I'm expecting the market to be a little bit range bound for a couple of days. Now what we do is, now we try and see if we are able to get any entry in any of the stocks for a weekly positional buy. So weekly super trend is giving us an entry on these 4 stocks. Our simple super trend strategy is 14 and 2, and we have got NTPC, NMDC, Coal India. Surprisingly, all the government companies are here, so which is a little bit not happening for us, because most of the time the movement in these government companies is very low. Steel Authority of India, let's analyze this on a chart. I want to analyze this on my setup, which is the SAS online setup. So we will add it somewhere here. Sale, Steel Authority of India. Second is I want to pick up stocks whose price is at least above 100. So I'll go for Coal India. So let's look at Coal India's chart on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, yes, it has given us an entry with a volume. So this can be taken for a target of 207 as a first target. Okay, because this has fallen big time and the retracement can come up to 207. And second, let's look at Sale. Sale is in a very good uptrend. I think this is something which everybody should try to buy. Let's look at this on a monthly time frame also to see how is the trend. Oh, it's very nice setup, and definitely there is volume building up, and this is a pattern which has formed and it has taken out the high of this candle. So we have to wait for this, and the first target will be 87 rupees from 76. On a weekly time frame you can definitely buy this, but hold it. Your stop loss will be 51 for a positional buy. This will be a first target, which is 80. It has to clear this level and then it can start moving up. RSI is also about 76, which is healthy. So these are the two stocks which we have for this week, and maybe we'll find some other stock by next week, or we can look at some other parameters. Like if anybody is interested, this is only for future segments, but if you are interested in cash segment, you can definitely go and search the same thing. So you'll be able to find these many stocks, 20 stocks. So you can definitely go and try to analyze each one of them. But I do not trade in other stocks, but I can definitely look at Adani Green. Adani Green is actually giving a bounce. Let's have a look at this here. Adani Green. I wouldn't suggest this as of now. Yes, the trend is 70. This was the highest volume. Now it has to break above this level, which is its 1220 levels. On a monthly time frame, let's see. Yes, it is. It is in a zone actually. This has to clear this high for sure, 1189. Only then you can go long into this. So watch out for this stock as well. But I prefer to trade only in Nifty 50 and future stocks. So there is liquidity, and I can be rest assured that one of the criteria which I follow of liquidity is always there in these stocks. So this is how you can analyze on a weekly basis. Try to do this every weekend and try to find out some stocks and add it in your portfolio. That's a simple way you can do, because all of you might be working or having a business. Only time you get on weekend. So this is the best way you can try and invest. And this is not going to be a rocket science. We have seen the kind of returns we have got in the past. Like for example, I have been holding Tata ELXI for a really long time now. You can see the kind of movement it has given from 800 levels till 2938 levels. So till the time you don't see the super trend breaking and the candle closing below it, stay in the trade. Simple rule. Enter when the candle closes above super trend, above 20, and the rising 20, and then you hold on to the trade till the time super trend doesn't cross. So that's a simple strategy you need to follow, and simple strategies will only make money for you. Do not complicate your trading at all. So try to follow this, and please do subscribe and share my videos with all your friends. And my position for this week, let me show it to you, is this. I'm holding this position. Yes, of course my view went wrong on Friday, but I had covered it up by creating this position, and I was able to get out of that even in profit. I closed my previous position and created this position. Now the market, if it opens here 35.1, even then I'll be in profitable position. Or if the market continues to go down, then also I'll be, my maximum profit is about this much. This is for 2 lots which I have done. Because Friday I was traveling, I was not able to look at the market, but I have created basis the analysis which I have done over the weekend, over the previous day actually. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, and please do follow my strategies, and these strategies will definitely give you an edge over the market. Thank you so much for watching.